In our kitchen at work, we've got this one wall. Yes, that wall with the blue notice board on. It's quite creamy, it's boring, and it's bland. I thought, let's do something a little abstract. So I've got all the tools I need. I've got a super soaker, which is a multi-purpose absorbent protective covering cloth. I've got some brushes there from Hamilton's, a fiberglass and a tapered enzyme, some blue masking tape to do the sort of planning of the abstract, and Hamilton's classic roller because I've got a rough wall. First up on the ladder, cutting in, that means where I can't get in with the roller. So a Hamilton fiberglass brush I'm using, a 75 mil, so it's nice and wide, so it gives me a nice line right around. So do all the cutting. Keep a cloth, yes, damp cloth on standby. So any messes or spills you can clean up. As you can see, I've got the drop cloth down, which is a huge help. Because it's a small area and small space, at the bottom area, I'm just rolling with the classic roller by hand. And when I get to the higher parts, much easier than climbing up and down the ladder. I'm just using an extension pole and using the classic roller for this very bumpy wall. Okay, I'm doing this abstract wall using Hamilton's speciality blue masking tape. Now, this tape doesn't leave a sticky residue when you remove. You can remove it after 14 days if you want to. It's UV resistant if you're using it outside. But if you're doing something like an abstract piece like I'm doing, use only this masking tape. You will not be sorry. So I'm getting my shapes together, and that's what abstract is. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm painting all my blocks, or shapes, should I say, in different colors in a water-based paint. I'm using Hamilton's tapered enzyme brush, which has a beautiful synthetic bristle. And because it's tapered, it cuts in nicely, especially when you're doing funny shapes like I am doing. And I changed colors in this video many times, so what you might see there now is not the end result, but I painted each block in the colors I desired using Hamilton's tapered enzyme brush, and I actually did use Hamilton's fiberglass brush in a 75 on bigger areas, but these brushes worked fabulously. And research colors, go onto Pinterest, go to YouTube, get ideas from various media platforms on abstract walls, and use your imagination. I'm using a bit of a metallic here as well. Using Hamilton's quality brushes and that blue masking tape, you're bound to get the perfect finish, especially to create the lines. That masking tape is the most important thing when doing this kind of a technique. So that's the wall done. I'm very pleased with the colors I've chosen, the way it's turned out. So using Hamilton quality brushes, planning your project, you're definitely going to get your own perfect finish.